This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gayle Upchurch. Your dreams just came true. 1 acre, brick ranch, 3 bedroom, 2 baths plus 1 car attached garage. Now here's the part you will like: 24 by 40 detached garage/workshop with half bath and laundry, plus a full unbelievable 900 square feet apartment on the back. Peaceful and private country living, yet minutes to RT 58E, grocery stores, medical, shopping and all Hampton Roads cities. For more information, review the details below or contact Gayle Upchurch at 757-377-6689.